some money. Yo, how you doing? Alright, so today I want to talk about some essentials, like 5 essentials that we need as a young man. If you're a young man without this, when you're watching this video and you need this, keep watching. So the first thing is guns. You need guns. Why? Because you need to exercise your facial muscles. You need to exercise your facial muscles. Now, you are still young now, so you need to exercise your facial muscles. So, gun is number 1. Then number 2, you need a clipper. If you are like me and you're already having beards, you want to get a trim every week. You might want to get, you are supposed to get a trim every week, because I get my own trim every week. I don't know about you, but you are supposed to get your trim every week. And you don't want to be going to the salon every fucking time to get small trim. To get a clipper or a trimmer for your beard. You can still use it to barb yourself if you want. As a young man, you need that. Even if you don't have beards, you buy it. You also have beards. Number 3, you need facial wash. You see, for a dark skinned guy like me, this facial wash just bring out small freshness. That's making me more beautiful and handsome, because I'm already handsome. Bring out small freshness, you understand? Not small freshness, to make me fresh, you understand? The facial wash is good, and I think that's the only skincare stuff I have in my, in fact, that's the only skincare stuff I have. Because if I eat healthy, I'm gonna have glass skin. Not even glass, diamond skin, you understand? So you need a facial wash. You need to add facial wash to your next shopping list. But next, you need some books. You need some books. Just like they say, knowledge or information is power. Equip yourself with as many books as possible. With as many books as possible. Even if you don't read books, just buy them. Just buy books. Just buy books. Buy them and keep. Buy them, keep them somewhere. See, later you open them to read. See, I have few books. So I see order for some today, so I'm expecting them to for next. So equip yourself with as many books as possible, because information or knowledge is power. And lastly, you need some money. See, I can't even mention all these things without mentioning money. See, at the end of the day, it all comes down to money. It all comes down to money, because you need some emergency funds for some stuff. So you need money. As a young man, you need money. So if you're a young man without any of these things I mentioned, in your teens, 20s, 30s, you don't have any of these things,